Welcome back. Now, one of the things you'll notice is that inside of your offer setup, you'll have a message dictating whether or not you have your settings such that the offer is either private or public. We're going to go inside of the offer settings. Now, what you'll notice is that your offer is either private or public in your offer settings. And if you turn on the public setting, you'll be making it so that the offer is available in the public marketplace as well as to other affiliates inside of the affiliate offers page. And if you go to the affiliate offers page and you search for your product, when it's private, you will not be able to see it. That means then that you can set up certain offers as a private sale. You can make it known to the affiliates that you want to promote, and then you can also keep it private from the WarriorPlus marketplace. Now, before you can turn a private offer public, you need to have your offer approved in the WarriorPlus marketplace by clicking this Submit button. Once you've done that, the offer will be available and you can then turn it to public. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.